The Taos Hum, an unresolved mystery. In Taos, New Mexico, a low-frequency humming noise has been puzzling residents and visitors since the 1990s. Characteristics: persistent, steady drone 20–80 Hz. Compared to a distant diesel engine or aircraft. Varies in intensity and duration. No clear source or pattern. Investigations: multiple studies by scientists, military, and local authorities. Ruled out common explanations: industrial activity, military operations, and natural phenomena. Theories: secret military experiments, alien activity, geological anomalies. Effects on residents: sleep disturbances, headaches, anxiety, fatigue. Global similarities: similar hums reported in other locations worldwide, e.g., Bristol, England, Largs, Scotland. Remaining questions: what causes the Taos Hum? Why does it persist?